Talking to a married couple while single is like making coffee. Stage 1, grinding the coffee.
I have serious issues with my husband.
Huh? What happened?
He's like too egocentric.
That is all guys are egocentric, all damn bad. Yeah.
Like, he don't let me do the things I like. It's like, I'm damn angry with him.
Tell me more.
Hey, dear, I'll do the laundry today.
Hey, no. Sit down.
Why cannot?
I know you love to do housework, but from the moment you marry me, you lose your freedom to do any housework in this home.
But I love to do housework.
No, you can't. I tell you what. Take my money. Go shopping, and come back before 6 because I'm cooking later.
But I don't want
Go
to
get some life. Get some life. Go. I tell you, girls nowadays, to let them do what they like. I love doing laundry.
Stage 2, filtering the beans.
You mean he does not listen to you by doing the housework, asking you to go shopping, and cooking for you?
Yeah, he's so egoistic, right? Like, I seriously don't understand. Like you said, all guys are bad.
Huh.
I tell you what's worse. He do not let me buy the things that I want.
Your one is bad. Tell me more.
Dear, you think I should go for my BFF's hands night or not tomorrow?
Yes, you should, dear. Your BFF leh, hands night eh. Just go enjoy yourself lah.
But I have to stay until very late, I need to drink.
Dear, go and party. Party as much as you want, as long as you want. I tell you what, dear, just go enjoy. I don't want to see you until the morning sun. Just go enjoy.
Okay lah, then I go and choose what I want to wear.
I realize you need a new handbag.
What new handbag? I have a lot of new handbags.
You need to show off to your friends, show them your new handbag. I think tomorrow we go Louis Vuitton.
What,
Then we
Louis
buy a
Vuitton?
new handbag for you. Good night, dear.
What LV handbag? No need LV handbag.
Good night. Good night, dear.
You mean he doesn't allow you to use a normal bag and ask you to use a Louis Vuitton?
No, he's just egoistic and a control freak. But he can be sweet at times.
Is it?
Hey dear, later I wearing like that, you think okay or not?
Okay.
Like, is it too revealing? I think I better wear a sweater. Better wear sweater.
You should be very confident of yourself. You see, you are attractive and you have a great body. You should go outside and flaunt your body.
But like a bit revealing, better wear.
Can lah. Good.
Really like that
But then, I tell you the weather a little bit cold these days dear. I think it's better for you to wear the jacket or else you catch a flu. Dear, I'm not scared other guys look at you because I'm very confident of myself. It's just that I don't want you to catch a cold. Make sure cover properly, dear. Hold like that. Dear, you can go. Enjoy, dear.
This time, I actually agree with you. Kind of sweet. Is there anything else?
Oh yeah, last night we had like a major argument.
Stage 3, boiling.
What? Is it with the both of you again and again and again and again?
Okay, let's do home automations and smart living.
No, that one is my dream home, and I don't want my dream home. I want your dream home, which is Scandinavian concept with open kitchen. Your one. I want it your way.
Like that, you are not compromising.
No. I'm compromising because I want it my way, which is your way, and your dream home, your Scandinavian, and your open concept. Dear, everything my way, which is I want yours.
Why can't it be just your way?
No, it have to be your way.
It's your dream.
Stage 4, serve it all when ready.
Hey, enough of your ridiculous stories, okay?
Hey, I'm not finished yet.
Wait, tell you what. Why don't you ask your husband to go and write down what he wants for a home, and then you write down what you want for a home separately, and then you go Renopedia.sg and then find the right interior designer. Okay, you know what? That's all. That's a good tip for you, right?
Hey, why
You
you so
can
annoyed?
give me the Louis Vuitton bag.
Why you so annoyed? Don't understand. Hello, dear.
Hello, Renovation 80k?
Hey, budget is not 80k, it's 50k. I want it 50. I won't give in to you this time.
Get the home that you want, any style that you want. Get your renovation tips and interior designers at Renopedia.sg.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.